In this video, I'm going to share my cold soaking recipe for oatmeal. I've been cold soaking for the past 2 thru hikes and it works for me. I like saving the weight of a stove because I don't need a stove because I don't drink coffee, and the dinners I was making, I was really only using my stove every other night. So to start off, I use 1/4 cup quick cooking oats. The quick cooking is key here for cold soaking. And then just for a tip, you can increase that amount for the longer you're going to be on trail, the hungrier you're going to be. Next, I use a teaspoon of peanut butter powder. Again, you can add more if you like. I recently started adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, but before I didn't have that. So if you don't like chia seeds, again, don't put them in there. I use a tablespoon of powdered milk. Again, you don't have to use this if you're vegan or if you just don't like powdered milk. It's fine without it. And then lastly, I use 1 packet of chocolate Carnation Instant breakfast, or just like an ounce if you get it in a tub. I don't know how many calories this has or how much protein it has, but I think it tastes really good. And my next video, I'm going to show what I do in the backcountry. You basically just add water and let it sit. Thanks for watching.